Today we will discuss the examples in the chapter Gravitation. Then first example is an object takes 5 seconds to reach the ground from a height of 5 meter on the planet. Then what is the value of g on the planet? Then given time taken, that is time taken is equal to t is equal to 5 seconds and height is equal to h is equal to 5 meter. Then to find the value of g on the planet. So acceleration due to gravity is equal to g is equal to 1. Then we know that the Newton's second equation of the motion, S is equal to ut plus 1 half at square. An object is dropped, so the initial velocity u is equal to 0 and S is equal to h, that is the height, and a is equal to g, that is acceleration due to gravity. Then substitute these values in above equation. Then S is equal to ut plus 1 half at square. Then S is equal to h, u0 multiplied by t 5 plus 1 half, a is equal to g, that is 1 half g t 5 square. H is equal to 5, that is height is equal to 5 meter. So 5 is equal to 1 half g 5 square, that is 25. These two in multiply, so 5 into 2 divided by 25 is equal to g, that is g is equal to 10 divided by 25, and so g is equal to 0.4 meter per second square. That is the acceleration due to gravity, g is equal to 0.4 meter per second square. The mass and weight of an object on the earth are 5 kg and 49 Newton respectively. Then what will be their values on the moon? Assume that the acceleration due to gravity on the moon is 1/6 of that on the earth. Then first we write the given in this equation, in this example. So mass on the earth is equal to 5 kg and weight on the earth is equal to 49 Newton. Then acceleration due to gravity on the moon is equal to acceleration due to gravity on the earth upon 6th. So first we find that the mass on the moon and second weight on the moon. First, the mass of the object on the moon is equal to the mass of the object on the earth is 5 kg. So mass on moon is equal to 5 kg. Then second we find that weight on the moon. So W is equal to mg, that is mass into acceleration. Weight on the moon divided by weight on the earth is equal to mass into acceleration due to gravity on the moon divided by mass into acceleration due to gravity on the earth. That is acceleration due to gravity on the moon divided by acceleration due to gravity on the earth is equal to 1/6. Then weight on the moon is equal to weight on the earth divided by 6. That is weight on the earth is 49 Newton divided by 6 and the value is 8.167 Newton. That is weight of the object on the moon is equal to 8.167 Newton. A ball falls off a table and reaches the ground in 1 second. Assuming g is equal to 10 meter per second square, calculate its speed on reaching the ground and height of the table. Then first we write the given in this example. Time t is equal to 1 second. G, that is acceleration due to gravity, is equal to 10 meter per second square. Speed is equal to v is equal to find, and we also find the height, that is h. First we find the speed. We know that the first equation of the motion, v is equal to u plus at. Ball falls freely from the table, so initial velocity u is equal to 0 and a is equal to g. Then substitute these values in this equation, that is v is equal to u plus at, that is v is equal to 0 plus 10 multiplied by 1, that is v is equal to 10 meter per second square, that is speed is equal to v is equal to 10 meter per second square. Then second we find that the height, that is h. We know the Newton's second law of equation, that is S is equal to ut plus 1 half at square, that is S is equal to h is equal to u0 t1 plus 1 half a is equal to 10 and t is equal to 1 square, that is h is equal to 5 meter, that is height h is equal to 5 meter. We find speed v is equal to 10 meter second square and also the height h is equal to 5 meter.